Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to learn programming. In this video, we will explore various strategies and resources that will help you embark on your programming journey, whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills. This guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to become proficient in programming. So let's dive in. Understand the fundamentals. Start by understanding the fundamentals of programming, such as variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and functions. Learn how to break down problems into smaller parts and develop algorithms to solve them. Choose a programming language. Research different programming languages and choose one that aligns with your goals and interests. Popular options include Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and Ruby. Each language has its strengths and areas of application. Set clear goals and projects. Define your programming goals and set achievable milestones. Create projects that align with your interests and challenge you to apply what you've learned. Projects could include building a website, developing a mobile app, or creating a simple game. Utilize online learning platforms. Take advantage of online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX, which offer a wide range of programming courses. Explore free resources like Codecademy and Khan Academy, which provide interactive programming tutorials. Engage with the programming community. Join online programming communities and forums such as Stack Overflow and Reddit to ask questions, seek advice, and share knowledge. Participate in coding competitions and hackathons to enhance your problem-solving skills and network with fellow programmers. Practice regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to learning programming. Dedicate regular time to practice coding. Solve coding challenges on websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Project Euler to sharpen your skills. Read programming books. Supplement your online learning with programming books that cover the language and concepts you're studying. Recommended books include The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas, Clean Code by Robert C. Martin, and Eloquent JavaScript by Maureen Haverbeek. Contribute to open source projects. Contribute to open source projects on platforms like GitHub. This will expose you to real-world projects, collaboration, and code reviews. Build a portfolio. Showcase your projects and code samples in a portfolio. It will demonstrate your abilities to potential employers and clients. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends, frameworks, and tools in the programming world. Subscribe to programming blogs, YouTube channels, and podcasts to stay informed and continuously expand your knowledge. Learning programming is an exciting journey that requires dedication, practice, and a growth mindset. By following the tips outlined in this guide, you can lay a strong foundation, gain practical experience, and become a proficient programmer. Remember, patience and persistence are key. So embrace challenges, seek help when needed, and never stop learning. Best of luck on your programming adventure.